Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Mystery package and envelope times! Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, 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 welcome, welcome. More things have arrived. I'm getting tons of packages lately. Tons of them everywhere. Yes, today I have in the porch of porches, I have a small box and envelopes. I think I know what's in this one. I think I know who this is from. I don't know who this is from, so we'll find out. So, let's do the envelope first. It's amazing. I tell you what, I've got to tell you, got to give credit to Royal Mail. The fact they can deliver these things with all the addresses scratched out, it's amazing. How they still know where to send it. So, mystery envelope. Greenford Windsor Mail Centre. Okay, let's see from whence this has come. I'm sensing stickers. I'm sensing stickers. I'm sensing... okay, it's from Paul or Chris. Excellent. Team Inept and Gross Model stickers. Excellent. I need some of these to send out. I totally forgot he was sending me those. Cool. Thanks, Paul, I think. Chris, Paul. I think Paul. I'm not sure. I'll say I don't recognise the handwriting, but I've scribbled it out. Yeah. And there's no Jar Jar on it, so I think it's from Paul, not Chris. I don't know. One of the two. I always get them mixed up anyway. So cool. We've got more stickers for giveaways. Although I think these are actually for people who are already waiting for stickers and things to go out. Just an update. When I do my giveaways on the Sunday and stickers and stuff, I always say I don't send them all in one go at the same time at that moment, because I tend to go to the post office once every 2 or 3 weeks for various reasons. So I'll let everything build up and then send them all out in one go. So people, if you're waiting for stickers for the last couple of weeks, or prizes if you won the mugs or any of the giveaways, the Apache helicopter, don't panic, they will come out to you. I just tend to go all in one go rather than go every Monday and post off a handful of things. I tend to let them build up and bulk up, and then I send them all in one go, which has its disadvantages because I have to spend 2 hours sitting there writing envelopes out. Yeah, and Lynn, yes, I am sending you one with actual stickers in it. I think some of these might be yours. Anyway, that's the envelope. Thanks, guys. Now, this one. I think this is from Dad. And by Dad, I mean Mike Mountain, obviously. Not my dad, because he's in a jar downstairs, but this is from Mike Mountain. And I think I know what this is, and if it is what I think it is, it's the most awesome thing I've ever seen. If you remember, Dad made me this little beautiful glue and microset and microsol anti-spillage device, and he told me off actually, because we were hanging out. We were doing a little hangout, just a private hangout, and we're talking away, and I'm going like this, pulling my glue out and using it here, and he's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing? It's not a holder, it's an anti-spillage device." So I'm like, "Oh yeah." So you put it in and you use it for your glue, and you can't anyway knock it over. You can never knock it over, never ever. So that's beautiful. I love that. That's beautiful. I might paint it. I don't know yet. I'll wait till it looks really scruffy and dirty, as it does a little bit already. Stuff goes on my desk and it looks filthy in about 5 minutes. I don't know. So I know he's made me something, so I think I know what's in here. And your mind will be blown. Your mind will be agog with blownness. Because he said, "Look what we've invented." Apparently, if it's what I think it is, I'll tell you in a minute, but I saw it and I was like, "Wow, I need one of those." And he said, "Oh, there's one on the way to you, don't worry." Excuse you. Excuse you. There we go. Proper hardcore electrician's gaffer tape. I think I need a new blade in the old knife, or an old blade in the knife. It's my box opening knife, so I don't need to get all delicate about it. Let's have a look what the note say. There is a note. "Hi Fox, as promised, a few bits, please feel free to do with them what you will. Still can't believe I've bought a Gumpler. Cheers mate, Mike Dadpla. PS and water slides." Yes, if you don't know, thank you Mike. If you don't know, Dad, Mike Mountain, has always been like, "Oh no, I'm not doing Gumpler, no, I'm not doing Gumpler, no. And we've always joked about this, because like, of all the little group of friends, there's me, Colin, Dave, Smoo, Chris and Paul, Lynn, Vincent, we've all made Gumpler, but Dad's like, no. He doesn't actually come from Cumbria. I don't know, I'm doing a Cumbria accent. No, not doing that. He's not from Bolton. I don't know why he's doing that. Anyway, we were having a little hangout the other night, and he's there with his phone, and he's like, "Might have just ordered a Gumpler, maybe." So So he's ordered, we kind of bullied him into it. He's kind of ordered his first Gunpla, a Master Grade Master Grade 3.0 RX-78-2 Gundam. Good choice, Dad. So yeah, he's ordered that. He's going to collect it when we go down to E-Models. Yeah. So let's see what we've got from Dad. So we've joked now, and we're not calling it a Gunpla, we're calling it a Dadpla. So he's doing his first Dadpla. So we have bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Oh. Oh, oh, I feel so much better. Everything else in the box doesn't matter now. I've got this. Oh, that's good. Right, what have we got? We've got, I hope there's nothing dubious in here. We have, yes, I haven't got any of these yet. We have some stickerage, more stickerage. I think magnetage. Oh yes, see, Dad's gone one up than us. I've got some Scaleymodels stickers, so do go along and pop out his YouTube channel, Scaleymodels. I think have you got a YouTube channel, Dad? I don't think you have yet, have you? He's on Facebook, Scaleymodels. Go and check out Scaleymodels. But he's gone one better than us. Fridge magnet. It's a magnet that goes in your fridge or any metal surface. Oh, there you go. Brilliant. I don't know if you wanted me to show your email address. Mind you, it's on your stick. It's on your fridge magnet. I'll message you and ask you if you want me to blur it out. So there you go. So thank you very much for those. I've got stickers and magnetings. We have, what on earth is this? He said he's sending me the one thing plus some extra bits. Let's have a look what this is. It was made some more things. Let's have a look. Let's see what this is. We have Dad's oh, look at that. It's all Dad's devices. Very swish. It's all red and everything. Anti-stabity or paintbrush mini wet palette thingy. Oh, look at that. That's mint. You've got to make a little mini wet palette. Put your bit of tissue and your paper in there. And if you want to store your brush or your knife, well, let's do it with a brush. Want to store your brush while you're working on it, you can stick it in there. Cool. That's awesome. And you've got little bits there. You can rest your brush on. So if you're working, you can rest your brush on there. Awesome. It's got a little handle and everything like that. And that, I suspect, is a thruster bell. It looks like a space shuttle thruster bell. That's mint. That's beautiful. And it's got a little lid, so your wet palette stays wet. Make sure I get it on properly. That is incredibly awesome. There we go. It's got a little lid, so your wet palette stays wet. That's beautiful. Dad's devices. Oh, thank you very much. I didn't know you've been making those. Let's have a look. What's this one? This one is... Ooh. I think this ties into one of the other ones. We have Velcro straps. Not Velcro straps. We have little things, different sizes, with magnets on. What could that... Oh, I see. There you go. I get it now. Ah, right. Yes. Little flexible strap with a magnet. What could that possibly be for? Let's find out. I'll glue that back on, Dad. Don't worry. I bust it. Oh, put those there. I've got 3, so I've got a spare. We have here. Is this another little wet palette? Because these would be really handy, because when I'm using a wet palette, of course, I use my sandwich box lid, which is quite deep and quite big. Oh, aha. We have... Do you remember I showed you this that he made as a test? A brush holding device. I've got a proper one now. A proper one. Look at that. I've got 2 now. This is where you can store. When you clean your brushes, and you do the brush soap and you clean them properly like I showed you in my video, I'll put a thing up here. You put them there. You don't put them back like this, down, and you don't put them up like that because it gets into ferrule. You put them back. Oops. Let's put a point on it. You put them back like that. So that's now not touching the bottom at all. It's hanging in midair, and all the water can run out, and the brush can stay pointed. All the crud can come out from the ferrule and not give you a splayed brush. So that was the test one, the white one. This is the finished thing. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That is beautiful. It's nice and shiny. I can't guarantee it'll stay shiny and clean. Now this is the pièce de résistance. I'll move the box. This is the pièce de résistance. This is the bit I knew about. And this is incredibly awesome. This is prepare your mind to be blown. This is, he sent me 3. Oh, what a genius. This is You're thinking, what on earth is that? What on earth is that? There's a magnet there, I think. So what you do is, I'll get the one that I've not pulled the thing off. It's a magnet on there. You put this on your thumb, like that, and that goes on there, and you have a palette, a little thumb palette. How awesome is that? So if I'm working on something, if I'm working on something here and I'm painting, I can put my little palette there. I can put a little bit of tissue, a little bit of what do you call it, parchment paper, and I can get my thing here, and I can be like, I need a little bit of paint, painting. I can make a little tiny wet palette. And he's also got these little lids, plastic lids with two bits. You've got the inside bit here and the outside bit there, and you can use the outside bit for water and the inside bit for paint if you want to. How awesome is that? That is just, so I can be like, la la la, bit of paint on there, bit of paint on there. And if I want to move the piece, I've obviously got to keep my hand flat, so I'll move it like that. So that is, let's try it. Let's do a little test, not an actual test. Let's find a dude. Find a dude. Eine Moment bitte. We have a dude. Let's put the dude in the clampy. If I can do it with the paintbrush in my hand and the thumb palette. Hang on. Oh, get in. There we go. Nope, we don't. There we go. So I've got my dude on my little grippy thing. I've got my thumb palette here. Bit of water, bit of paint. Get the guy. Start painting. Move him around. Move him around. Twist it around. How awesome is that? That is fantastic. All I need to do is cut a little bit of tissue and a little bit of parchment paper to the right size, and I've got a wonderful, this is just awesome, wet palette. That is brilliant, because now I don't have to worry about having a big plastic lid, sandwich box lid taking up all the desk space. Dad, now I have to give credit here where credit's due. This was a bit of a cooperative thing between Dad and Kenneth and Dave Wise Rungun Barker. So all three of you, thank you very much for the idea. That is gorgeous, and I've got three of them, and I've got three little magnety things. I'll stick that back on. I think it's just some little tacky glue. I'll get some more glue on there. That's brilliant. That is awesome. That is just excellent. I could have three different ones. I could go buck wild, if that's a phrase. Is that a phrase, Americans? I could go buck wild and have three all at once. Three different palettes. Look at that. I have three different colours. There you go. I'll be painting. Wow, that's awesome. They are brilliant. Dad, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. They are fantastic. You'll see those in upcoming videos. I'm sure you will. My version 2 Dad Devices brush drying holding unit is perfect. And of course, another little wet palette, just in case. They are brilliant. Dad likes making these. He makes all these little things. He just like makes all. I put this on shot, shall I? He makes all these little devices, and we all come up with dumbass ideas. Hey, how about a thing that does this? And he's like, yeah, I'll make that, and he does it, and it's all brilliant. So, Dad, thank you very much. Paul/Chris, I suspect Paul, thank you for my stickies. Like I said, I'll be doing that hopefully in the next few days. I'll be going through a big run of stickers and prizes to go out. I am about to run out of stickers, so I'll do as many as I can and get those out. And then we'll wait for the next batch of stickers to turn up, and we'll get the next lot set out. So this should hopefully be going out in the next few days. I've got to obviously pay for all the shipping for the prize. I've got the 2-pot noodle mugs to go out, and I have the big Apache helicopter to go out. The stickers don't cost me much to send out, that's not a problem. So I'll get those done in the next day or two, hopefully, so stay tuned. I never forget people who win prizes. If you have won a prize in the Sunday stream, or a sticker, all you need to do is mail me with your name and your address. If you've won a prize, a physical prize, your phone number as well, and just put in there what you've actually won, because I won't remember. And I use my email list as the tick-off list to send him a sticker, send her a sticker, send that person a sticker, or prize, whatever. And then as soon as I've gone through all those, and I've sent everything out. So brilliant. So anyway, yes, they'll be going on the next few days. So that's brilliant. Dad, thanks very much, Dad. Was there something else I was going to say, but I can't remember what it was. I've still got some of those Kit Kats left. I might need to go and eat some of those. So until next time, thank you very much for sending these. Thank you to everybody who sent me stuff over the last week. So I've had tons of stuff coming in. I believe I do have more coming in as well. So there you go. But anyway, until next time, thank you so much for watching. Do take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. You there. You right there. Yes, you. Go be awesome. And we'll see you next time. Adios, amoebas.